Imagine investing 1 million naira in a small business in Nigeria, and you are targeting 200,000 naira monthly profit. It sounds ambitious, but with the right business model and good management, there are several opportunities worth considering. 1 million naira cash. This is the heartbeat of Nigerian business, where dynamic ideas turn into pure profit. First, consider a heat press customization business. Use part of your capital for a quality heat press, printer, and materials. Produce customized t-shirts, mugs, caps, and souvenirs for schools, churches, businesses, and events.
Wow, I love it! It's caps and souvenirs for schools, churches, businesses, and events. Order today and events.
Second, consider food production. With proper planning, you can produce snacks like chin-chin, plantain chips, or fruit juice. The market is huge. Small shops and supply supermarkets and retailers. Focus on system quality and repeat customers. Welcome to our factory. Purely golden.
From our factory to the shelves, we produce the tastiest snacks in Nigeria, supplying your favorite retailers.
Third, you can combine a strategic POS location with other services such as airtime, data, and bill payments. The key is choosing a busy location and carefully tracking your daily transactions and expenses.
The key is choosing a busy location and carefully tracking your daily transactions and expenses.
Another option is importing fast-moving products in small quantities and reselling them online. Products such as household items, phone accessories, and useful gadgets can be marketed through WhatsApp, Facebook, and other platforms. Source products directly from top Chinese suppliers and sell effortlessly on WhatsApp and Facebook. Fast and reliable delivery nationwide. But remember, 200,000 rep profit is a target, not a guarantee. Don't invest your entire 1 million blindly. Keep working capital, calculate your costs, test your market, and reinvest your profits. Start small, learn fast, and scale what works. You have 1 million naira, you must drive sales and hit your 200,000 profit target. You need to start smart. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.
So guys, the video you just watched is a clone version of myself. I was talking about imagine investing 1 million naira in a small business in Nigeria and I'm targeting 200,000 monthly profit. It sounds ambiguous, but with the right business model and good management, there are several opportunities worth considering. You know, in the video, we equally talk about how you can get a heat press machine for production of teacups, for t-shirts, mug, and all those things. Then outside that one, we equally talk about snacks productions. How you can do snacks and sell to various people that have need for snacks, like bakery, buns, chin-chin, and so on and so forth. All those things. Those are some of the things that make up that production. Then after that, we'll talk about bringing in a POS machine in a busy location, whereby you can add it to the existing business that you already have, and if you are in a key, if you're in a busy location, the sky is the limit. Then we talk about importing a fast-moving product in a small quantity and resell them online using your Facebook, WhatsApp status, and so on and so forth to market the business. So guys, if you like what you see on my video, give my videos a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fube TV, and see you in my next video. Thank you.